Hey, it's that time of the year where we're gonna have to start fighting colds, COVID, the flu, all kinds of stuff. So I'm gonna make a little syrup here, just full of good stuff, so that we could end up fighting COVID. So this is my chili powder. You could use like paprika. Or there's another red one I can't think of right now, but any kind of organic raw honey, or just try to make it as pure as possible. Get a little jar, just slice up some oranges. You could also add some lemon, or just put some lemon juice in there. And then I get stir-in ginger paste. You could use it for soups. You could also... This one here, it's just so convenient, you know? And you could also just throw it in anything, pretty much, or for cooking, you know? And then I add the pepper because pepper actually pepper allows absorption. So all of this stuff will be absorbed easier into your body, and it actually helps with your immune system. And also I add turmeric. You could blend it all in and make a nice syrupy, like kind of tea. So it's like a remedy for me, you know. And it really helps during cold weather, or when you're trying to up your immune system so that you don't catch any COVID, because that shit's really bad, you know. Please share this as much as you can. It has helped me in the past with a lot of different stuff. And it could help you as well, definitely. Let's check it out, how to put it all in there. So with our raw honey, we're just gonna squirt like, I don't know, like 3 tablespoons in there. Just so it's just really nice and thick. And with the ginger, you could actually, make paste organically out of real ginger. This is actually real ginger, actually, but it's in a paste already ready to go. So I think it's real easy. It smells like ginger. It tastes just like ginger. So here we go. I'm just gonna put like, it's very strong, but we kind of need it, so I just throw a little bit in there, like half a teaspoon, you know. And I'm gonna add my peppers. Just the coarse ground pepper is good. And with turmeric, I'm just gonna add like half a teaspoon, kind of. Ground chili, I'm gonna put it in there. You don't have to do this part. It's totally up to you, but I see that it makes you sweat a little bit. It kind of opens up the pores to accept the good stuff into your body. So I'm gonna throw more in there. Hold on. I added some hot water, like a cup. I'm just gonna smash it in there. Probably gonna put a lot more honey in there just to make it really, really thick. So let me do that. So I added more honey. And I'm just gonna smash this a little more, so you can feel that pulp everywhere. Gets golden, like a golden color. I mean, if you want to take a shot of this, you can, but I like to just add it to a tea, a green tea in the morning, or you could just do it straight with warm water and sip on it. I'm gonna add some more orange. Okay, and I got my masher. It's like a, I don't know, I got this at Daiso. It's super cool. So this fits right in here and you could just smash everything so you can get all that pulp out of there and get more of that orange oil into the drink. When you get the orange, what is it, the shell? Orange what? Orange peel. Orange peel. Yeah, you want some of that orange peel. It's really good for immunity. You see all that? That's all the good stuff you want in your tea. And I recommend only using plastic spoons for this. I don't know, I just don't want metal in there. I think it's not good for it, so I forgot where I read that from. But let's play it safe and do the plastics only. Good plastic. Okay, so now what we can do is go ahead, add some of that stuff into there. No, by spoon. Not the peels, just the liquid. Yeah, we'll probably get another spoon, but I use that one to mix all the stuff. There you go, immunity tea right there, guys. Mix it now. It's as simple as that. Thank you, guys.
Good.